Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today is session 11, 12 and 13 of World Power Made Easy English Vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. It is related to science and scientists. So let's start. First word is anthropology. What is anthropology? It is a study of human beings, especially of their origin, development, customs and beliefs. In Hindi, मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. Example, social anthropology is one of the social sciences. Next word is astronomer. A physicist who studies astronomy or who makes observation of celestial phenomena like solar system, stars, galaxies are called astronomer. Synonyms are stargazer, uranologist. Example, an astronomer can determine the brightness of each star. Next word, astrologer. Someone who predicts the future by position of the planets, sun and moon. In Hindi, Jyotishi. Example is, anyone can be an astrologer as long as they are mathematically minded. Next word, example, disastrous, terrible, harmful or failing completely. In Hindi, it is आपदा. Synonyms of disastrous is calamitous, fatal, destructive. Antonyms are fortunate, harmless, wondrous. Example, economically and socially the Crusades had disastrous effect upon the Jews. Next word, nautical. Connected with ships, sailor, all sailing. In Hindi, nautical in Hindi, samudri. Example, he was then for a short time in the nautical almanac office. Next word, autonomy. What is autonomy? The act of power of making one's own choices or decisions, or who want Swaraj. Many parts of India, people demanding autonomy of their area. Synonyms, choice or free will. Antonyms are dependency, compulsion. Example is, demonstrator demanded immediate autonomy of their region. Next word, geographer. An expert in geography or a student of geography. In Hindi, भूगोल का विशेषज्ञ या विद्यार्थी. Example, geographer study the configuration of the mountains. Next word, autobiography. Story of one's life written by oneself. Atmakatha. And another word is biography. It is a story written by life of someone else. Example, in his autobiography, he occasionally refers to his unhappy school days. Here, auto, then it is oneself. With next word, botany. The scientific study of planets is called plants. The scientific study of plants is called botany. In Hindi, Vanaspati Vigyan. Example, a botany course in college opened my eyes to the endless amounts of uses for plants. Next word, zoology. The scientific study of animals. In botany, you study plants, and in zoology, you study animals. In Hindi, Prani Vigyan. Example, I would like to brush up my zoology. Next word, entomology. The scientific study of insects is called entomology. In Hindi, it is Keet Vigyan. Example, she decided to specialize in entomology after graduation. Next word, eccentric, strange or unusual, sometimes in humorous way. In Hindi, सन की इंसान. Synonyms are cranky or crazy. Antonyms of eccentric is conservation, conventional. Example, she's just an old eccentric or sunky. Next word, anatomy. Anatomy, the separation and identification of the parts of a whole. Synonyms are analysis, anatomizing. Example, knowledge of human anatomy is essential to figure drawing. Next word, dichotomy, classification into two opposed parts or subclasses. In Hindi you can say virodhabas. Synonyms are contradiction, incongruity. Example, there is a dichotomy between the academic world and the industrial world. Many want to do job and many want to do business. Next word, epitome, a short statement of the main points or crisps. Synonyms are brief, capsule. Antonyms are enlargement, expansion. Example, here is the epitome of kindness. Next word, philology, meaning the branch of knowledge that deals with the structure, historical developments and relationship of a language or languages. In Hindi, Bhasha Shastra. Example, her major interest and main scholarship were on philology. Next word, philanderer. Who is philanderer? A man who has many sexual relationships without intending to be emotionally involved. Example, Mr. Clinton is a philanderer and a liar. Next word, philosophy. What is philosophy? The study of ideas and beliefs about the meaning of life. In Hindi it is Darshan Shastra. Synonyms are credo, creed, doctrine. Example, her tutor encouraged her to read widely in philosophy. Next word, it is semantics. The study of the meanings of words and phrases is called semantics. In Hindi it is Arth Vigyan. Example, many ideas on semantics needed more careful exploration. Next word is sociology. What is sociology? The study and classification of human societies is called sociology. In Hindi, it is Nagrik Shastra. So spelling is wrong. Shastra. Sorry. Example, I will be teaching history and sociology in next term. Next word, antisocial. Meaning of antisocial is harmful or annoying to the other people. In Hindi, it is Samaj Virodhi. Synonyms are aloof, asocial. Antonyms are sociable, cordial. Example, her behavior was called provocative and antisocial. Next word, it is the last word of this video. In the last video, I have asked you some question. Is name apparatus used for checking blood pressure? You have to give an answers in comment box. So today we will discuss answers. Options are A, barometer, B, thermometer, C, sphygmomanometer. The correct answer of question this is C. Sphygmanometer. It is the apparatus used for checking blood pressure. Today's question is, a condensation, summary or representation of the whole is called what? Options are anatomical, epitome or entomological. You have to give correct answer in comment box. So next word, so it is the last. If you like this video, then like and share and comment also. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. And for PDF, you can join my Telegram channel, Optimistic Aspirants. Thank you so much everyone.